My name is Jenny Gomez. I'm Kenya's and Bogota. I study in front engineering and I had a 1 year on tour. My short project is to finish industrial engineering and we would do a specialization in SST. I can student theory with my knowledge and also had this ethical and profession quality to work in said position. My short the words are to watch it as engineering and me to do my own house. My logic what are to expect and SST we put to do by be cool where we call dance facilities my family mobility. I had 2 years of working experience in safety and whole world. I currently work supervision where I had this opportunity to have people in my hard charge and this student my role as leader. The students were cultivates are discipline and leadership, self-management, and commitment. In my professional year is purpose improvements that had reduced costs.